Hey everyone! Today we're making an incredibly flavorful, crispy snack using raw plantains. To start off, take 3 plantains, give them a good wash, cook them until soft, peel off the skin, and grate them completely. Once grated, just set them aside in a bowl for later. Heat up a pan and add some gingerly oil. Toss in 75 grams of whole shallots. We're gonna fry these on a medium flame until they turn a gorgeous crispy golden brown. Fry 10 dry red chilies along with a tablespoon of fennel seeds. Next, add a cup of garlic cloves, a handful of fresh curry leaves, and 2 tablespoons of Bengal gram. For a little extra kick, toss in 4 chopped green chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and salt to taste. Finally, add half a cup of grated coconut and bring back those crispy fried shallots we made earlier. Give everything a fantastic mix. Let the mixture cool down slightly, then transfer it all into a mixie jar. We don't want a smooth paste here, we want texture. So grind it coarsely just like this. Mix it all together and gently knead it into a soft, cohesive dough. Once your dough is ready, portion it out and roll them into medium-sized balls. Drop them carefully into hot oil and fry them on a medium flame. Let them cook evenly until they turn a spectacular, deep golden brown and crispy on the outside. And there you have it. Super flavorful, crispy plantain balls ready to be served hot with your favorite chutney or sauce. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious recipes, and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. See you in the next video.